So this is everything I'm going to use. My friends are coming over at 7:30. It's currently 4 o'clock. I'm running behind and they're coming over for dinner. So basically what I'm doing is I'm making dinner, 3 courses, starters, main, and then desserts. I'm making rice, chicken, plantain. The chicken's going to be like some sort of gravy kind of situation. You see what I mean when I'm done. Yeah, I'm trying to do this as efficient as possible, quickly as possible, use as few dishes as possible. So it's going to be making dinner for your friends, a quick, efficient way to do things and make it taste nice as well. So let's go. But yeah, I'm wearing this apron that my sister got me as well, which is super cute. Long grain white rice from Asda. Some people prefer basmati, that's their preference. Using this dish for the chicken. Firstly, we're gonna make the sauce for the chicken. We have garlic, ginger, salt, thyme, paprika, chili powder, or any kind of chili flake. I like to mix it up. Doesn't really matter to me. Knorr cubes, oregano, all-purpose seasoning. So it doesn't have to be Maggi. I use any chicken stock cube. I put a bit of hot water in just to like mix everything up and make it, all blend together because it's all dry ingredients. Then I use some Worcestershire sauce. I don't know how to pronounce it. Worcestershire sauce. Some reggae barbecue sauce for that, extra oomph, some honey. This is a very key ingredient if you want that added sweet kick. Or you can just use barbecue sauce that has that's like sweet barbecue sauce. Doesn't really matter. Mix, put barbecue sauce, mix, and it looks grime, but it tastes so good once the chicken is done. And you just marinate it in the chicken, or marinate the chicken in the sauce, and you just mix it, make sure it's well incorporated. This in the oven to kickstart. I'm going to set the oven to 90 minutes. Then when guys reach the 1 hour mark, I will put this in. This is the base and plum tomatoes, canned plum tomatoes. But I have a secret for my jollof rice that I'm unfortunately, and the scotch bonnet as well. And unfortunately, not going to share with you guys. So sorry about that. But yeah, that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Scotch walnut cheese. So I use one like that. So once everything is cooking, it's literally just a waiting game. Put these and these in there as well. So I'm just stirring it now. Basically want the tomato puree and onions to be cooked. Woo. You can see I'm getting tired. So when I start speaking, that shows how tired I am. Once it's cooked, we pour in the tomato sauce that we blended up. While this base is coming up to a boil, I'm going to clean up and wash up. thing is, I got 2 of these 1 kg bags of rice. Just so many. Washed rice, ready to go. Chicken legs are down. Going into the chicken. I'm gonna get those ready. We're gonna put this back in the oven to cook for another 10-20 minutes. We add in the rest of the seasoning in the sauce once it's boiled down. Things like oregano, chicken stock cube, ginger, garlic, the full works, you know. Then once it's cooked a bit for another 10 minutes, we add in the rice that we washed and we make sure it's fully incorporated into the sauce. We may need to add a bit of water if it's not. Usually we do, just so it can all boil up. And then what usually we do is a waiting game from here. Cover it with tin foil on extremely low heat and let it boil till the rice is ready. Try not to open the pan. I added some bay leaves in there as well. It's insane.
He's actually he's so cute. He's 5 months.
And what breed?
He's actually a border collie mixed poodle.
So it's like a small dog, not a big dog.
Well, it's supposed to be small dog, but for some reason he.
Put it.
So I have to take care of Frosty. I take him out for walk. So like my steps are literally like 10,000 every day because I'm just taking him out for a long walk.
That's good. Yeah.
Tiny bit more.
One spoon.
She said like, not like 1 grain. Yeah, that's what I'm spoon.
Is this okay?
Yeah. It's because I really like the sauce.
Oh my god, it's so good. Honestly, Laulu, can you have me over for dinner like every week?
No.